I put one ripe banana into the air fryer, and 20 minutes later, I had a soft, naturally sweet cake, no sugar, no butter, and perfect for a gentle breakfast. Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share a simple banana cake recipe made right in the air fryer. This recipe is quick, easy, and still nutritious enough to start your morning gently and full of energy. No complicated preparation needed. Let's get started. For this recipe, the main ingredient is banana, and I like to use a naturally sweet variety. They are easy to find, easy to buy, and almost always available on my kitchen counter. To make a delicious cake, choose bananas that are evenly ripe and fragrant. The riper the banana is, the sweeter and softer it will be. In addition, ripe bananas already have natural sweetness, which means you don't need to add sugar. That is why this recipe is healthy, gentle, and suitable for older adults like myself. If you don't like bananas or want to change the ingredient, you can replace bananas with sliced apples for a lighter option, or use pears for a mild, gentle sweetness. Strawberries also work very well and bring a fresh fruit flavor. Depending on your preference, you can choose the fruits you enjoy most. When you are ready to use the banana, peel it and slice it into thin pieces so the banana cooks evenly and blends well with the other ingredients. Bananas are a wonderful choice not only because of their flavor, but also because of their nutritional value. They are rich in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer and supports healthy digestion. Bananas also provide potassium and several important vitamins that help maintain energy and support weight control in a gentle and natural way. It is best to cut the banana right before using it. Once cut, bananas can oxidize and turn brown fairly quickly. If you need to wait a little, you can squeeze a bit of lemon juice over the banana pieces. This simple step helps keep the color fresh while you finish preparing the rest of the ingredients for the dish. After the bananas have been prepared, set them aside and begin mixing the ingredients together. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Use a fork or a whisk to beat them lightly until the yolks and whites are combined. If you'd like a bit of extra aroma, you can add a few drops of vanilla extract. This helps soften the egg smell and adds a warm, pleasant flavor to the cake. Next, add about 50 milliliters of fresh milk. You can use any type of milk, whole milk, low-fat milk, lactose-free milk, or even water if you prefer something lighter. Pour it in and gently stir the mixture. Then sprinkle a little cinnamon powder on top. Cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but is also known for its thermogenic properties, which may help support metabolism. Finally, add the oats. Fine rolled oats work best, but you can easily substitute them with rice flour, whole wheat flour, peanut flour, or other flours you have available. Gently mix everything together. The mixture does not need to be thick. A slightly loose, pourable consistency is exactly what you want. Next, prepare a glass baking dish and spread a thin layer of oil over it to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier later. Then, arrange the banana slices evenly across the bottom of the dish. Try to spread them out so each bite has a bit of banana. After that, slowly pour the egg mixture over the bananas, making sure the mixture spreads evenly. Gently tilt the dish if needed so the mixture settles on its own. If you like, you can place a few extra banana slices on top of the cake as well. After all the ingredients have been assembled, place the dish into the air fryer. You do not need to preheat the air fryer. Simply place it directly inside. Set the air fryer temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and cook for about 20 minutes. During this time, the banana and egg mixture will slowly set, and the top will begin to turn a light golden color. Every air fryer can be slightly different. So near the end of the cooking time, you should check to see if the dish is done. To do this, carefully insert a small knife or a wooden skewer into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, with no wet batter sticking to it, the cake is cooked. You will also notice that the surface is lightly golden and firm to the touch. That is exactly what you want. After the time is up, remove the cake from the air fryer. You will see that the surface of the cake has a light golden color, smells wonderful, and looks very appealing. The cake is soft and fluffy. When you cut into it, you will see that it is moist, perfectly cooked, and easy to slice, not dry or heavy. Take a bite. The flavor is wonderful. It has a light, natural sweetness from the banana, combined with the aroma of cinnamon and vanilla. The texture is soft and moist, incredibly delicious. Exactly the kind of flavor I love. What truly creates this flavor is the banana. The riper the banana, the better the taste. It becomes naturally sweeter and softer, which makes the cake richer without the need for added sugar. This is one of the secrets to keeping the recipe both flavorful and light. What's great about this recipe is that even if you are on a diet, you don't have to give up sweet treats. This banana cake is quick, easy to make, and made from simple ingredients you already have at home. It proves that a warm, delicious dessert can still fit into a balanced and mindful way of eating. And that's it for today's recipe. This banana cake is soft, comforting, and just the right amount of sweet. You can enjoy it on your own or share it with someone you love. I hope this simple air fryer recipe brings a little warmth to your day. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I'd also love to hear what kind of air fryer recipes you'd like to see next, whether sweet or savory. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.